Let's learn English together. Yes, guys. Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I'm also great. Everything is well. So welcome to my YouTube channel again. कौन बनेगा इंग्लिश का सिकंदर. So, guys, I want to share with you some accidents. I go every day for work. As you know, I wake up 5:30 every day. So after I go every day for Fajr namaz, after namaz, after pray, I go every day for work, 7 to 9 o'clock. So having done exercise when I was coming from ground, while going, while coming, I utilize time. I talk every day, I practice every day by Joe Talk, by Speed Up. I have 3 application, but I mostly use Joe Talk. So guys, when I was coming at that time, I connected one doctor. I talked with him minimum 30 minutes. Doctor was telling at that time, I want to go abroad. Guys, yes, this happened with me. The doctor was telling I want to go abroad. So guys, as you know, Indian people every year minimum 1,000 people, valuable person, I would say that businessman, I would say that engineer, I would say that doctor are going abroad. People are going abroad. Okay. And people are taking abroad citizen too. Yes, guys. I told many times, I recommendation many times, doctor, you should not go abroad. India provide a lot of opportunity, but doctor told repeat and repeat, I want to go abroad. I can't tell name, but you can understand. Every engineer, lot of engineer, lot of doctor, lot of businessman and politician family too are shifting abroad. Why? Behind reason I don't know, sir. I am Indian. I want to die for India. I want to live for India. So I love India. That's why I can't go abroad anyhow, any position, anyhow. So guys, I want to say you, I utilize every day time while going, while coming, because time is much important. So guys, I let me ask one question to you. Why Indian people are going abroad? Why Indian people left Indian passport? I don't know behind reason, but you are educated person. You lot of people here, engineer, doctor, rich man. I want to ask them. Already Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore, lot of those city, lot of opportunity there. You can earn a lot money, but people, I don't know why people are going going to abroad. So guys, I am here because I want to learn speak English. Okay, but it's happened sometime. That's why I want to share you. If you are engineer, if you are doctor, please don't go abroad. because India is very big India. You have to come one day return. Okay, you should leave India. You should do anything. India provide a lot of opportunity. If you talk about Mumbai inside, if you sell only banana, you can earn 1,000 rupees. So guys, why people are going abroad? I don't know. I can't do. I can't talk. I can't criticism that person. But I will give advice. You should not left India. You should not go abroad. Even then, you are millionaire. You are educated. You are rich man. Every rich man, if will go abroad, so India, you should think for India. Yes, India is big country. India is huge population. You can sell anything India. Some difficult you have to face. I know some difficult we have to face. But everything will be clear one day. No need to frustrate. No need to worry. You should start career in India. Everything will be better one day. Please believe me. You should not left India. Everything will be better one day. I believe that. Okay. Politician does little bit discrimination. Politician wants chair, any price, anyhow. So it's happened everywhere. If you go America, if you go Japan, if you go everywhere, you have to face discrimination. So no need to worry, sir. Everywhere you will meet discrimination. Okay, but India is very good, better than other country. So guys, I want to say you, India, you will meet a lot opportunity. Don't go here, there, abroad country. Okay, because one day you have to come return. That's why I am telling that if you want to do anything in Mumbai, I will help you. Don't worry. Okay, I am here. I am Mumbai. As you know, I belong Bihar. I when I left Bihar at that time, my age was 13 only, but Mumbai provide lot of opportunity. That's why I did hard work. After that, I am success. Without hard work, nothing happens, sir. If you are new person, you should start hard work. Nothing is free in the life. Nothing get free in the life. You have to pay cost. Okay, you have to pay cost. If you are doctor, if you are engineer, you did very hard work for education. After that, you got success. Without hard work, you can't get success. So I would say that I did very hard work in the life. After that, I got success. I am here. I am good position. So without hard work, nothing happen. You have to face problem. Then 100% I am giving guarantee one day will be better everything. If you go abroad, you have to set up everything there. You can set up in India everything easily. So guys, I would say again for everyone, don't left India. You should do anything in India. India provide lot of opportunity. Depend on your ability. If you have good ability, you can earn unlimited money. But if you haven't ability, so I can't say anything. But if you have ability, 100% I am giving guarantee you can become millionaire. Yes, I am right. I am saying right. Please believe me. So I am telling that for everyone. Don't go abroad. You should start a small business in India, everywhere. So guys, video will be long. That's why I want to go. Thank you. I will upload new video tomorrow. I upload every day new video with new topic. So please guys, please friend, don't forget to share my video and like and subscribe too. Thank you so much.